Hey everyone, Spencer from Builderpreneur here. We're going to be talking about recurring affiliate programs in this video, so stay tuned. Alright, hey everyone, you are in the right place if you're here looking for recurring affiliate programs. Two things to note before we actually dive into these programs. First one, there's a link down below to a free training. It talks about how I've been able to make a full-time income off affiliate marketing and exactly how I was able to win 2 cars in the process. Hey, there's a picture of the car right there. Second thing is, if you like affiliate marketing, you should absolutely be subscribing to this channel. And second thing is, I would love to have you leave a comment down below on exactly what programs you're promoting and what your favorite programs are. I don't know every program in the world. I would love to hear about more programs. Anyway, without further ado, let's get started. If you look at the screen here, I'm going to talk about my favorite affiliate program right here. It is ClickFunnels. If you are looking for recurring affiliate programs and you're not promoting ClickFunnels, you're leaving so much money on the table. It is easily the #1 affiliate program, especially in terms of recurring income today. They pay 40%. They have an awesome dream car program where 100 users will get you a dream car. And they've got this awesome cookie business where they have dozens and dozens of products. And if you can share one single product and get someone to buy one single product, then you can. And they buy they buy another product down the road, and they buy a recurring product down the road, and they buy a high ticket product down the road. Whoever brought them in originally is going to get all the commissions for all the products they buy down the road. So not only is it recurring, but ClickFunnels continues to upsell them over and over again for years, and you're able to get commissions off all that. It's awesome. ClickFunnels is my favorite program. Like I said, that's one of the programs I've been able to win a car from, so you definitely want that training down below if you want to know how to succeed with ClickFunnels. The next one is you can really choose any email autoresponder, but you definitely should be promoting an email autoresponder because every business needs one, so it's a really, really easy sell. The one I would promote if I were you is ActiveCampaign because ActiveCampaign has one of the best retention rates I've ever seen. They're really, really, really awesome, really well put together software. And so when I refer someone to them, I know that they're going to stay for a long time, which is kind of the key to making recurring passive income, right? You need people to actually stay for years and years for that to be recurring. So ActiveCampaign, it keeps people, so we like to send them to ActiveCampaign. The next two are Thrive. If you're familiar with Thrive Leads and Thrive Forms, they're all kinds of tools basically that website owners need, whether it's plugins or themes or whatever it is. And guess what? Every business needs a website. So this is another no-brainer where you can say, hey, head over to Thrive, and then you can pick from there. You can pick any of the themes, any of the plugins, Thrive Leads, any of that stuff. You just go over here and they've got tons of options. So you're able to just refer them to a general place, and the person can get exactly what works for them from Thrive, and you get recurring commissions as they buy different things. It's awesome. Next thing, Udimi. If you're familiar with solo ads is where you essentially take somebody with a big email list and you ask them to email your offer to their list. Really easy. Udimi is a place that connects parties, so it connects people with big lists with people that have offers. You get 15% off someone you refer for life, okay? So if they go to Udimi, they like it, they start buying every month from someone with a good email list, you'll get 15% forever, which has happened. I make commissions off Udimi years down the road that I can't even remember referring the guy to him. Sixth, I think we're on 6. Group funnels. Okay, really cheap software. If someone has a Facebook group and they're trying to make money off a Facebook group, you have to refer them to Group Funnels. It's the #1 software out there to do that, and it gives you recurring commissions for it. And there's not a lot of softwares out there like it. So Group Funnels is what I use. A lot of people use Group Funnels. It's also got a cool course that comes with it, and if you can sell Group Funnels, then he will upsell them on the course, and you can make commissions off both. So there's opportunities there for other commissions, which we like. Crowdfire, if you're trying to help somebody with social media management, you should be referring them to Crowdfire. It's one of the biggest, and it has one of the best affiliate programs. So it's kind of like a really good combo. It's not the very best, I would say, and it doesn't have like the best affiliate program out of them all, but it's really high up there on both. So it's a really good option, and it's really reliable and well known. Tailwind, Pinterest. Okay, Pinterest is exploding, guys, and Tailwind is Pinterest. Tailwind is pretty much the only reputable Pinterest marketing company out there right now. And if you're trying to get somebody to get on Pinterest, get them on Tailwind. Not only will it help them succeed, but you're able to get in kind of on the ground floor as Pinterest is exploding more and more as time goes on. I just started using Pinterest myself. Next is Pickle, another thing that every business needs. Okay, if you look at these, they're awesome because every business kind of needs them. Every business needs graphic design, and graphic design is expensive. Pickle is a it's a monthly fee, and they get unlimited design. It's a really cool business model, and then you, as the referrer, get recurring income as well. So Pickle's making recurring income. You're making recurring income. The user's getting unlimited graphic design. It's really, really a good affiliate marketing model for a win-win for everybody. And we've got Thinkific, okay? Thinkific is a course platform, so if any of your audience is trying to build and launch courses, it's a no-brainer. It's a really awesome course platform. That's what I use. And the coolest thing about Thinkific is once you get somebody into Thinkific, it's really hard for them to leave. Like, it's hard to take all your courses and move them to some other platform. And so you know that as long as that person's doing okay with this course, they're going to stay for years and years and years, which is a win for you because you can make money off it for years and years and years. Recurring income. Another one I love, Ninja Outreach. This is for any business that does outreach, okay? Cold outreach through email, like agencies, SEO, local agencies, and local SEO, all those things that are like kind of emailing people and things like that. Ninja Outreach is super cool, the best in my opinion. And hey, it's got a cool recurring affiliate program. They're also on the high end, and so you're able to make some pretty good commissions off. I think they're $97 a month right now. They've gone up a few times, but $97 a month, and you get 30 or 40% of that, which is huge. I try not to be super specific because these affiliate programs are always changing. VIDIQ. If anyone in your audience is trying to start a YouTube channel, get them on VIDIQ. It's a no-brainer. It's cheap. You get recurring commissions. Their YouTube channel will, I guarantee, benefit from it. It's kind of like a win-win-win for everybody and an easy company to refer people to. Kind of a no-brainer if people are trying to get their YouTube channel going. Opesta. Messenger bots, they're exploding. If you want to get in on the ground floor of like the affiliate world on the messenger bot platforms, Opesta is the way to do it because I don't think the other ones have an affiliate program as of me making this video. They still haven't launched affiliate programs, which means Opesta is kind of the only one out there. So, yeah. Morevago, social proof software. Pretty much anyone with a website or a sales funnel needs this. You can see Morevago at work on my screen here. Ding, 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 ding. It's where you basically give social proof and reviews and things like that pop up while people are using your site and going through your sales funnel and things like that, and it massively increases conversions. It's proven to work, and it's a really cheap software that gives you recurring income and benefits the end user. So always, we like a win-win-win situation. Last one, freelancer.com. Really cool affiliate program, but really cool in the fact that like once people start using freelancer.com, they don't go back because they're like, wow, this is awesome. Like I just saved so much time using, like they don't even realize how easy it is to hire a freelancer and stuff like that. And once you get them aboard, they go again and again and again, and you can make recurring commissions for a long time after that. And they can spend quite a bit of money on freelancer.com, right? Like there's a good amount of money that can be spent on freelancers, especially if they find one they like and they start going monthly and things like that. So I can't remember how many there were. There were 13, 14, 15 affiliate programs here, recurring. So much potential. You just got to start. Now, like I said, there's a free training down below where you can learn how you can see the structure of my business and see what I'm doing to be able to do all these affiliate marketing. I don't promote every one of these programs. I'm focused, and I focus on the way I promote, and I focus on the programs I promote, and it really works for me. So if you're interested in learning that, interested in learning how to win some cars and quit your job and all that fun stuff, grab that free training down below, and I hope to see you on the inside.